The market of digital currencies has been a steady fascination with merchants, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and all the more critically, so in the new pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't go the distance. In actuality, digital currencies have shown a prominently calculable cost development, displaying gigantic center-to-long-haul gains. This multitude of elements have been placed on a fundamental level by one response, the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the computerized guide with date-set achievements, and afterward showed the beginning of Qtum, all the more regularly perused as Qtum. The local token Qtum of the Qtum convention is established on the standards of evidence of stake that is eminent to be a savvy contract open-source blockchain stage with a Steam Move convention. One can say that it brings the smartest scenario imaginable, Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain, adding the advantages of DeFi applications. The Qtum stage likewise joins UTXO exchange models, consolidating the execution of brilliant agreement execution and dApps. Qtum, the quantum calling, with a particular target of causing dealers to have a good sense of reassurance and exchanges safer, and carried out with lightning-quick speed. Qtum drifted its own ICO in WAC 2017. With a generous increase, it raised $15 million. Despite the fact that in the beginning phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token. Later it moved to local blockchain, being onboarded to mainnet. The steerage at the underpinning of the Qtum convention is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper College and has made prestigious commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, VetChain, Bitsy Gathering, and Mailink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two fellow benefactors are the CTO and blockchain planner Neil Mahai and lead designer Jordan Lords. As a lead designer, Steven Zhu is a lead engineer of Qtum beginning around 2017, who was recent with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product designer with a degree in PC Vision from the College of Chinese Foundation of Sciences. The Qtum project without a doubt has a tip-top portion backing the undertaking with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, prime supporter of Foreshadow and Ire in blockchain capital, Qtum roots and extension. Throughout some undefined time frame, the administration at Qtum understood the limit of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to revamp, making the Qtum token more strong and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients, tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related perspectives concerning evidence of work instrument and trouble of interfacing brilliant agreements with genuine applications. Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of unwinding two extraordinary innovations, Record Reflection Layer and Decentralized Administration Convention, rising up out of Bitcoin with a savvy layer. The Record Reflection Layer incorporates the UTXO account layer motivated by Ethereum. It permits clients to assemble applications and host them on virtual machines, including the Ethereum virtual machine and the X86 virtual machine. It additionally upholds the i686 guidance set in a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it exceptionally simple to adjust existing applications and gather for Qtum. One more benefit with Decentralized Administration Convention is that one can change the center boundaries of the organization to foster shrewd agreements like block size and gas expenses, and this doesn't need a hard fork, saving a ton of exertion and time. The whole local area of diggers, designers, and Qtum holders inside the whole environment are a necessary piece of blockchain administration, taking part through casting a ballot, adding to self-administration, redesigns, and emphasis. Qtum value gauge, market opinion, going by the past value pattern and specialized investigation. Qtum cost has checked colossal development after some time, which could be the essential justification for its fame. The ongoing cost of Qtum remains at $7.22, with a market capitalization of $715,678,389.17. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Qtum remains at $178,493,092.94, with a coursing supply of 99,057,395 Qtum. The Qtum cost expectations made in view of past information and specialists determining the future cost of Qtum coins in the crypto market on different digital currency trades are summarized underneath. Qtum USD has a splendid future in front of it in 2022. With continuous improvements occurring inside the Qtum environment, we might see the cost of Qtum arrive at new levels. It might outperform its ongoing ATH at about $99.87 this year in the event that financial backers have concluded that Qtum is a productive interest in 2022, alongside standard cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. As indicated by our Qtum Cost Forecast 2022 and Specialized Examination, the cost of Qtum crypto could hit $10.08, and over the course of the following 5 years, it could cross the $13.94 cost mark, which will make it a productive venture. According to our Qtum conjecture, the coin is anticipated to cross $10.24 this year. After the following 5 years, Qtum's cost may be meandering around the $58.82 mark in view of our future figure information. Qtum USD expectations. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Qtum cost will be around $14.75, a most extreme cost of $15.49, a base cost of $11.80 for December 2022. The typical Qtum cost for December 2022 is $13.65. In view of our Qtum estimate, the cost may be around $14.75 toward the finish of December 2022. Qtum value is by all accounts showing negative disorder and not a bullish pattern. The bears will push Qtum cost fall, and the Qtum estimate might make merchants sell Qtum cruising at $10.03, and that too with trouble. MACD pointer reflects blended opinion as the MACD line and sign line are going to cover. Consequently, the coin could exchange a comparable pattern for the close term prior to enlisting any lofty development. The outline has been anticipated for Qtum cost in view of its functionalities, dependability, and security. A further effect on Qtum cost should be visible in light of the exchanging or putting exercises by financial backers in the long as well as present moment. How about we investigate the value expectations of this digital currency for the impending years? Qtum Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there is no enormous instability ahead for the digital money market, Qtum will keep on insisting its situation as one of the significant attractions, as indicated by the ongoing cost developments, verifiable information, and our Qtum conjecture. What's to come is splendid for clients. They ought to put resources into Qtum crypto to procure huge benefits as it would cross the $9.83 mark toward the finish of 2022. Qtum Value Forecast 2023. Qtum coin has laid out a dependable organization, and its blockchain innovation-based items might get mass reception after some time. In view of our Qtum cost expectation information, the crypto could undoubtedly cross $11.70 toward the finish of 2023. This Qtum conjecture depends on different elements like verifiable information, current cost patterns, market cap, items, decentralized applications, and so forth. Qtum Value Forecast 2024. There are not many hypotheses going ahead for the Qtum crypto figure. In view of our venture counsel, a Qtum value expectation of around $11.37 is estimated for 2020.